Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Michaels, some clearance items. After the holidays, they excuse me, they had these 2 packs of bags. They were $5 and they had them for $1.50. So this is just white and silver on one side sequins. And now my thinking was these drawstring bags could just be used to stuff some goodies in there. Nice opening, and to put various things in there when you're shipping somebody something. And here's a gold one. They also had the red and green. I didn't get that one, even though my red's my color. I didn't want the green. And then they had this material with the snowflakes on it. So just to have extra if you're sending out something or whatever, swapping or something. Then I got 2 of the, one for my mom and one for me. I'm getting her into planning, even though I wasn't faithful at it. My mom is. She's big on budgeting and doing all this kind of stuff. So I got her this. I thought this would be great. And I got her, she has it already, a planner. So this can go into her planner edition. And I bought me one. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So you've probably seen this before. It just has the contents, your savings each month. On the back it has, you know, your expenses, main income, extra income, total income, projected, estimated, and your difference. It has your housing expenses, transportation, insurance, food, children, taxes, personal care, entertainment, loans, savings and investment, and miscellaneous. So the dollar's dropping, y'all. Bad. Anyway, so that's just a regular calendar for the month. And again, your bill pay, your expense tracker, and just some questions right here. What did I have the most trouble? What could I improve this month? What goals can I set for next month? And then it just basically repeats itself. And then the same thing. So this is stop wishing, start doing for that month. Oops. This one didn't have anything on that one. Trying to see any dividers. This one said do something that your future self will thank you for. And that one's just dots. This one says live well. It's got a pocket back here. And then it comes with some stickers. When you pay your bills, month of the years, paid, you know, plan to save little by little. Just some little encouraging things. So just wanted to see that in case you hadn't seen what they look like. It's pretty much the same, I think it's the one from last year. And some more stickers. But I was excited also to find, well, let me get this out the way 1 second. I'm sorry about the noise, because some people like crinkling sounds and some people don't. So do one of the ASMR videos where you just do the crinkling sounds and get paid $1 million doing that. It's amazing how much money people get paid to just make sounds on videos. Anyway, I had a 50% off coupon, so just got some more of the double-sided ATG gun tape, because you can always use that. So I was excited to find this on the clearance aisle, and I'm going to go out and see if I can find some more. They only had 6. They only have 6 stamping sets, and I was able to get all 6, and they were 49 cents. And I know you saw these in Michaels at some point. These are animation motion crafts that came out by Yuchi last year, and like I said, they were 49 cents, and I got 1 duplicate because I wasn't sure how to stamp. So I thought they were regular stamps, but I wasn't sure how it worked. I ended up getting 2 of the ballerina, and for those who haven't seen it, it's a motion stamp. As you move it, the stamp moves. So it comes with these lines, which is a plastic grid, and then it comes with stamps inside of it. This is the 13-piece set. So it's not only is it the ballerina, there's stars, there's butterflies, there's musical notes and different things like that. So I had 2 of those. This one comes with 8 pieces, and this one, they don't have names on them, do they? I know they have a patent pending on these, but I did see Stampin' Up! Has some similar ones too. So balloons, it's a character right there, present, and it says happy birthday. There's a little creature over here, his mouth opens up. This one's with the kitty cats and an envelope. It says, I love you. I'm hoping you can kind of see that. The heart changes. This is an 8-piece. That was a 10-piece with the kitty cat. 8-piece with the balloon. 13 with the ballerina. And this is 8 with the owls. So all of these are fluttering wings. And this one I stuck it back in the wrong way. But I will pull it out so you can actually see it. This is a 10-piece set, and this is the one with the leaves, the flowers. So I thought these were going to be regular stamps, so I said, well, I just buy for 49 cents either way because I could use them, even if I didn't find the other piece to it. Which actually you don't have to buy the dies, but you did need to have this grid, which it does come with one. But if you look at the stamps, you see lines on them. And of course, when you move it across the grid, it gives that dimension of movement. So this is how the stamps look. So unless you colored it and cut off the lines, on a lot of them you wouldn't be able to use the stamp unless you use it with the grid. But they actually even have the dies that you can make your own grid, even though you can buy the grids as well. It goes like that, the little snails and the flowers and the sun moving back and forth. And the last one is a 13-piece butterfly set with dragonflies, and they flutter their wings as well. So just an interactive, pretty cool way to make some movement. Again, all of these are 49 cents. I don't have to have the dies. I can use these and use my own dies with a peek-out window and put that behind it. And I'm good to go for 49 cents. So, and I can always buy more of the screens. You can cut the screens in half. But they also had these, so that was a good deal for 49 cents. They had this, which is normally $14.99 for $1.99. This one right here, so, excuse me, a piece of hair in my mouth or something. This makes a 3.5 by 2 small envelope. Actually, this is really a cool die set. Regardless, you can use it separate from this, or you can use it in conjunction, but this is a nice die set. It comes on a magnetic strip, and it comes with another screen and another stamp for $1.99. And this is, when I say this nice magnet, so this itself already makes a pocket. So even if I never use it with this, you got a pocket die for $1.99. Not only did you get the pocket die, so if you see this in your Michaels, you better grab it. You got your two nesting squares, so you can cut that out as your peephole, and then you cut that to make a rim or go around the peephole. And same thing with the circles. This is the tab that you can use on your tab piece if you want to pull it out, or you can use this right here, so you can pull the tab out, and you can use this and this to make your tab, your insert piece, or you can use this and make your insert piece, and then the tab will go match on that. So for the price, for $1.99, this was a score right here, honey. I mean, this was a score. So like I said, I could just use this separately. This is a good die set for $1.99, plus a magnet and a stamp and a screen. Yeah, I just really was fortunate to find that. So look on your clearance aisle. And they have this in a larger size. But that was a $14.99 die for $1.99. And so glad I was able to get that. And then, if that wasn't good enough, oops, 1 second. And like I said, it's already on the magnet strip. So you got that. So that is, how many pieces in here did it say? 11 piece. So I was most happy to find that die set. So then I found the larger one. Oh, they're selling this for $19.99 or $20.99, I can't remember. On the website, this is $14.99. I'm not sure what they sold it in Michaels. It might have been $19.99. I'm not sure where Michaels. For some reason, I thought this was $29.99 in Michaels. The website has it for $19.99, their website. But they're sold out. Anyway, I'm sold out of this one. One of them is sold out. But this makes a 4.75 by 5.5. So this was $2.99. And this is an 8-piece die set. And again, it comes with the dies. It comes with the a stamp and a screen. If I can open up and show you. Again, you can probably do some of this without the die. It's a little bit more work, but for $2.99, I have about a die. So, again, comes with the screen. Sorry, I'm off count. Comes with the screen. That's a sheet of plastic with the lines on it. Comes with the butterfly die. Nice big piece of magnet to hold all of that up there. So you have again your peekaboo window, and you have this to make a frame to go around the peekaboo. You have an embossed butterfly, and this is for your page. And then you have a layering banner set. So the example is this card right here. And the dies make that. That's the cutout and the frame for the butterfly. The butterfly's in the back. There's a screen. And so what it is when you open the card. So this makes the flap. This big die makes a flap to the front of a card. And so it makes that screen when you open the card up. It makes this move in the background. So I'm so glad to get that one. So if you happen to see that in your clearance aisle, and if they're not in clearance, they may be soon. Just keep out, looking out for that. So that's how much my store had them for. And I'm so mad I didn't see the other dies. I had purposely not been in Michael's. And the lady at the checkout said, "Oh my God, I've been seeing everybody buy these." And I'm like, "Really?" She said, "Yes, you have to come back and show me what you make, because I don't understand. I don't craft that way, and I have to see what you make." But anyway, so if you see that, I was just excited to get these dies. And like I said, you could use either both of these actually. This flap could be used probably in a mini album or flip book or something like that as well, not just for this. So I like it that I see potential in both of these die sets that are not just limited to be used with these, but these can be used independently for 49 cents. And these were, I think, $14.99 too. And they were 49 cents. So if you come across them, try it out. And I had wanted to try it out. But at that price, what have I lost? Nothing. So, I mean 49 cents actually. But I'm just saying, really. To try it out, I'm not going to be offended by it. But it looked pretty cool, so I just thought I would try it out. Because I like some motion. I thought it would be cute and different to make some motion-based cards. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.